At first, it might seem a bit unusual to import data from a PDF file. But think, for example, of product data sheets. They often contain tables with information about certain products, such as price lists, which you can filter out and import into Power BI. I have an example for you. Please open the sample file US States. This PDF file is structured as follows. Here, a little text above and the table below, which you already know from the previous videos. You will see a list with the US states and their latitudes and longitudes. What's special is that this table extends over several pages. We'll come back to this in a moment. Okay, switch back to Power BI and Get Data. Choose PDF and then open the file US States. Now you can see that there are 4 pages at the bottom and 4 tables above. There is one table on each page, and you now select all 4 tables and then click Load. If you import them now, you will also get 4 tables. That is important for the next steps. Does the table fit on one page, or is it spread over several pages? If it is spread over several pages, you will have the problem of dealing with 4 data sources instead of just one. What possibilities do you see to work with this data as one data source without manually transferring the values into a new table? You can transfer this information to Excel with cut and paste, turn these 4 tables into one Excel table there, and then import it. However, this procedure has a disadvantage. If the PDF file is replaced, in other words, changes are made to the data, this new data set is not automatically transferred to your data model. The data model is not updated. This is because the Excel spreadsheet created is an independent file that no longer dynamically accesses the PDF file. You have learned the following. You should always make sure that you have access to the data source. You should only create your own files if you are sure that the data will not change there, such as here for the longitude and latitude of the federal states. You have also learned how to combine static data from multi-page PDFs into independent files and then work with them. For dynamic data, you should consider using another source, such as a website, to ensure automatic updating. You can now access tables and PDF files as a data source. Perhaps not the most common type of data source, but sometimes very helpful. And now you know what to look for.